The multifunction printer has faxing capability that can be set up if that is needed. The setup will be the same regardless of what type of environment that the printer is set up in, meaning that is it connected to a laptop by USB or is it on a wired network or a wireless network. The setting up of the fax portion of it is always the same and requires a wired network connection. So on the back side of the printer here, you'll see in this setup here, we have the printer set up in a wired network already, but we are going to add some piece of equipment to add the faxing capability to it. So we're going to need the ATA box, the power supply for that box, a phone cable, and a network cable. Okay. So we're just going to put the ATA box just right here next to the printer, and we'll start by putting the phone cable in the back of the printer here. In the upper portion in the back is where the phone line connection is going to be, and you're going to connect it to the one marked line. Snap it in there. And we're going to turn the printer back around. So we've got our phone line here. And then we're going to plug that into the ATA box on the back side into phone 1. All right. Now we need to take a network cable and run that to the nearest available switch of our network, which is conveniently, in this case, on the table. On the back side of the ATA, we're going to take the network cable and plug it into the blue internet port. And then we're going to go ahead and connect the power supply to the ATA box. Plug the power supply into the back of the ATA box and into an available outlet. And then the network cable from the ATA box needs to plug into an available switch, which is conveniently located next door. And then it takes about a minute or so for the ATA box to get set up. But once it's good to go, you'll just see solid green power light, and it's ready to do faxing.